In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close or how to delete accounts on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of this signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, would like to show you how to delete account. And of course, if you want to do that, you would like to go to this left panel, left bottom panel, and click on the settings icon. Once you're here on the settings panel, make sure to click on membership and payment. Once you are here, make sure to click now on manage account. Once you are here, of course, once you click on this manage account, as you can see, so normally you will find here close your account option. But a lot of people actually start using this recently. So of course, if you want to close your account, as you can see, if you are unable to confirm access through this form, they're talking about this confirm identity, but let's just go to this support.chess.com. And now we would like to, as an example, click on account, then how do I close my account? As we said, we did the same things that we said. We'll have to go to member payments, then we will have to go to manage account, and we will normally find this close account option. But we don't have it. If you don't have it, simply you will have to go and contact their support because that's going to be the only way to close your account because there is no other way to do it because they actually remove it from there. And once you contact them to do that, just give them your email or your username, or even both. You could ask for both. They could ask you to answer a quick survey for them. Why do you want to delete your account? And your account will be deleted within a day or two. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.